Okay guys, let me tell you, first of all, I'm not a hat person. I am not a hat person, okay? But for some reason, I'm doing my thumbnails with my hat on. But I'm not a hat person. I bought these hats about a year ago and it's just been sitting there. I'm not a hat person. Welcome again to another video, Living with Esther. I'm Esther. And in today's video, we're gonna do the second part of the transformation of the upstairs patio. My upstairs patio looked like a hotel resort. The transformation, oh my goodness, it's a big transformation, big transformation. So this is just the second part of the reveal of the upstairs patio. Okay, so I already did part one, so guys, go back and take a look at part one, and it's how I did my upstairs patio. And so now this is the second part for the video. I do have to do a final because I need to get some plants for my pot, so I don't want to do that, and maybe that will come tomorrow or next week or over the weekend. But this is the second part of the transformation. To all my subscribers, welcome. To my new subscribers, thanks for joining my community. I appreciate you guys. And to get more familiar, more acquainted with me, go back and look at previous video and you'll see what I do. There I do cooking, cleaning, decorating, devotion. So go back to my previous video. And welcome to all my existing subscribers. Thanks again for your support. I appreciate. So in today's video, guys, as I said, the only thing that's new over here is just the cushion I purchased for the chairs. That's it. Everything else is existing. Everything I had. Okay. And I think I already did a haul on the last year on the chairs, that the 4 chairs that I purchased from Lowe's. So again, welcome to this show, Living with Esther. So guys, let's go ahead and do a part 2 of the back upstairs patio, because I did the downstairs. I already did that video and uploaded, so you guys saw that last week. So this week I'm doing the second part of the upstairs. It looks like a hotel resort, big transformation, and everything is stuff that I already had on the budget. I didn't have to go out and spend any funds. So guys, let's go ahead and do what we do best. Okay, let's do what we do best. Okay, grab a drink of your choice, sit down, relax, and enjoy this upstairs transformation 5-star resort on a budget. Okay, so now what I'm doing is cleaning up all those pots that I have from last year. I just put them all in one pile. And so now what I'm going to do is discard some of those pots and plant my palm tree that I bought in that pot that's sitting right there. And that pot that planter that's sitting right there, I have that for years, the brown one, the Roman looking one. I'm going to put the planter in that pot. And the big gold pot that I have, I'm going to plant some flowers in there, some live flowers in that pot. So I'm going to put it in one of the corners, and I'm going to put the some pot flowers in there. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking the dirt out of that big pot and putting it into the into that Roman pot to plant the palm tree, because I ran out of dirt and I wasn't going to nobody's store today to get more dirt. So I just transferred dirt from one planter to another planter. And guys, the palm tree turned out beautiful in that pot. Beautiful. Now for the winter I'll have to bring that inside. I wanted to paint that pot, but you know what? Mother Nature took a toll on that pot, so that's fine. And it's on the outside, it's looking good. So I'm leaving that pot the way it is. But guys, I think I did a fantastic job in repotting that plant. Okay, so now I move over to the chairs. So what I'm going to do now is put the cushion onto the chairs. And as I said, I got those cushions from a job lot, and yes, job lot had them, and so I purchased those cushions from job lot. And yeah, the price, it wasn't bad on it. It wasn't bad. And also you can go back and look at a haul that I did on these cushions. And as I said, I wanted the one where you could the back support your back and your neck. So those turned out beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. They look in gorgeous. I just love those. They look so rich and elegant and luxurious. Look at them. Beautiful, beautiful. And the color match, as I said, the color matched the table. My husband was the one who picked the color because I had a striped. The one that I picked out was striped, but he loved striped. But he loved this one. He said it matched the table. So I gave him credit for that because they turned out nice. Now the candle stands that you see in here, these I got from Hobby Lobby, from Hobby Lobby. And those are actually to put candles in, those candle holders. But guess what, guys? I'm gonna plant flower, not plant, but put the flowers in, do the flower arrangement in them. And that I get from Hobby Lobby for $9, guys. Listen, as I said, when you guys go out and you all see things on sale that you can use, buy it and put it to the side. So guys, I bought them, and look at what I'm doing with them now. I'm gonna make my flower arrangement out of those candle holders, and they look beautiful, beautiful. I just love it. It's a gold and glass, and guys, for the price, and it was, as you see, I show you guys the red tag, they were marked down. $9. I could not resist that, so I took two of those, and I'm gonna get put my flower arrangement in those candle holders. And guys, you know what? Those two flowers I also got by Hobby Lobby, and those were, I think, 50% off. So I got those things for next to nothing. So look at a beautiful tablescape that I'm doing for outside, decorating my outside table, and it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. And as I said, on a budget, you don't have to go out and buy anything expensive. Budget friendly. And guys, just look at that. Gorgeous. This looks so luxurious, elegant. As I said, it looks like a 5-star hotel. It depends on which hotel you go to, but it turned out beautiful. I did not do the table setting. I'll leave that for another time, but for now, guys, it's looking great. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm just loving every bit. And guys, it turned out beautiful, and the contrast with the flowers and the color of the chairs, it make it look so elegant. So you come there, you could come outside and just relax with a glass of wine, a cup of tea, put your feet up and just enjoy that outside. It just make you want to just stay outside. Look at that, it's gorgeous. And then I put a candle in the middle with the tray, that brown tray. I did get that brown tray from Home Goods, and I have that brown tray for a while. I had this in my kitchen, but I decided to bring it outside. But guys, that's it for the table. I'm going to put one more candle on the outside, tropical candle on the outside. And look at this, look at this. The hubby can't wait to go out there and sit down. You know, he cannot wait to go outside and sit down. And I know he gonna start doing his grilling now, because you know what? He could come outside, relax, and my husband loved the outside. He loved being outside. You know, he does everything on the outside. So now I turn my attention to the other seating area, and those chairs I had last year. I purchased these chairs last year, and I did a haul on that, so you guys could go back and take a look at my haul that I did. And I did get these from Lowe's when Lowe's was closing out for the summer, and I got these for fraction of the price. I think I got these for about 25% of what the original price was. Yes. And this little center table, this table, I did get that from Facebook Marketplace. Yes, I picked that up at Facebook Marketplace. Now this little table, I got this little table from Russ. Yeah, because I wanted a little table, you know, to put between those two chairs, because I didn't have enough tables on the outside that people could rest something on, or I could rest some flowers on. And I got that Russ had that marked down. Nothing was wrong with it. They had another one which was damaged, but this one, nothing was wrong with it. And I got that for $22 from Russ. And guys, look at this. And I did not when I purchased the flower pot and the table, I wasn't even thinking about the chairs. But look at the blue. So what I have to do, and what I'm going to do, I have some blue flowers upstairs in my some folk flowers upstairs in my room, in my bedroom. I'm gonna bring some to and take out that white flower, so it could coordinate with the chairs and the little table with the flower pot. And look at that oriental pot in the back with the blue and the white and the green. So I'm gonna change out that flower, that little white flowers on that table. I'm gonna change it out. And that oriental pot, I have that. I'm telling you guys, that thing is about 30 something years. 30 something years. I wanted to paint it last year, but the hubby tell me no, don't paint it, leave it the way it is. So what I'm gonna do is just get some flowers, live flowers, and plant in there. Yes, so that's what I'm gonna do. The rug, I did get the rug from Lowe's. That rug probably cost me about, I think, $50 from Lowe's or under, because as I said, I purchased it when Lowe's was at the end of the summer, when Lowe's was selling out their summer stuff. So as I said, on a budget, guys, and these things, you know, you just buy them, put them there, and look at, you just bring them together. And look at how gorgeous that turned out. It's beautiful, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. And I'm loving every moment of it. Every moment of it. Yes, guys. Yes, look at that. You know, you come out here in the summertime, you sit down, you relax, you know. And what I wanted, a canopy for here. But I had seen one on Facebook Marketplace, but it was already gone by the time I contact the owner, but it was already gone, so I didn't get it. But maybe when summer, you know, the stores closing out for this summer, I might find one. Otherwise, it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal, because I have the downstairs patio. You know, if the sun is too hot, I'm scorching out upstairs, I could actually go downstairs. And besides, we also have the umbrella on the other side, so it's not to say we don't have shade on the upstairs. We do have shade, but I would really love to have a canopy, you know, out there. And I also would love to have a lounge chair where you could come outside and lay down and, you know, relax for the day. You don't have to go inside if you don't want to. But everything turned out beautiful, luxurious. I'm loving every bit of it. And I think, guys, I made the right choice of, you know, what I put outside. As I say, you know, when I buy thing that's gonna last. And guys, if you notice, it's not cluttered outside. if the kids want, they could still ride their bike around along the side of there. They want to ride their bike upstairs, you know. But yes, it turned out beautiful. And guys, I'm not yet finished. As I said, I still have to get some live plants to put in the pots. I have, I think, 4 pots there that I need to get some plants for, to plant in those planters, in those pots. Okay, and then I still have this step going down to the downstairs patio to stain, so that I will do, hopefully, in the final show, you guys will see where I paint those steps going downstairs. But besides, guys, everything turned out beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Loving every bit of it, loving every bit of it. And I love my little table that I purchased. I love it. Yes. And you know, as I said, I buy it in Facebook Marketplace. And as you can see, the hubby is still out there. He is still out there. I'm not surprised if he in a minute he gonna get up and put up his umbrella, open up his umbrella, because the sun is a little scorching out there. It's a little strong out there, you know, beating on the back. So, you know, it turned out beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Guys, I am just loving it. But as I said, I know, listen, I know the hubby like I know the back of my hand. I knew he was gonna get up and open up his umbrella. I knew he was gonna open up his umbrella, and now he's gonna go back and sit down and just relax. You see what I said? I told you guys, I know him. He's gonna be out there. He's gonna eat his dinner out here, and listen, he's gonna sit down out here for hours. I'm telling you guys, he's gonna sit down out here for hours. You know, yes, it's just gorgeous. That's why I say I want to get a little, you know, another chair where he could sit down and, you know, lay back and relax himself. But guys, it turned out beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Loving every bit of it. I think. Okay, guys. So what do y'all think about this video? The second part of the back patio transformation. What do you all think? Did you all like it? Tell me in the comments what you all like and what you all dislike. Okay, but the transformation came out beautiful, beautiful, luxurious. Everything is on a budget. We say elegant, luxurious, gorgeous, everything on a budget, on a budget. And these at this all the elements you see except for the cushions for the chair, I purchased. Everything else we had last year. Okay, guys, so again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Living with Esther. And don't forget to go back and look at the previous video one, and also the back patio transformation and the downstairs transformation, and let me know what you guys think. Again, thank you, thank you, thank you. And to get acquainted with me, as I said, go back and look at previous video. Love you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bless. Bye-bye.
In the midst of storms, I know you're here. You are my refuge and fortress. There is nothing to fear. If God is for us, who can be against us? Your word is true. In you I trust, O Lord.